Hello and welcome to another session where our topic number 2 is modalities of ICT. So let's start. Here I have a phrase for you. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. Mahatma Gandhi. It's important to seize the day, but always make time to go deeper and winner in your learning. So, let's continue. Our topic for today is ICT and its modalities. Let's see what is it. The present of growth of technologies in the information and communication have significantly influenced in the recent years, which has exchanged teaching in educational environments in order to respond for demands of knowledge in society of the 21st. For that reason, professional and continuous training has provided through implementation of serious educational modalities in the context of information and communication technologies. So, with the implementation of these modalities in education enables the teacher of English to generate spaces and or environments and dynamic learning with the complement strategies communicative, collaborative, and cooperative for development, investigate, scientific, and innovating in the student. Each of these educational modalities are defined below in order to contextualize the importance of the environments of learning today and therefore for the future. So let's see here where is the educational modality that we have. And we have 7 types of educational modalities. We have virtual learning, that is e-learning, blended learning, B-learning, cloud learning, C-learning, mobile learning, M-learning, personalized learning, P-learning, learning ubiquitous, U-learning, and transformative learning. So let's see and let's learn what is each one. Let's start here for the first one. There e-learning means virtual learning. Consists of teaching can be based in or the classroom. The use of computers and the internet. This is providing training and development to the students employed through various electronic media such as internet, audio, and video. When based learning is meant by e-learning, which commonly refers to an electronic learning. And here I have for you some characteristics that we can know. So it's the separation between teacher and students. We use two-way communication, technology approach, and diversification of data materials. Let's see the other one, blended learning, that it's B-learning. Blended learning is an approach to education that combines online education materials and opportunity for interaction online with traditional place-based classroom methods. It requires a physical presence of both teacher and students with some elements of a student's control over time, place, path, or place. Let's see here some characteristics. Combination of instruction and learning, face-to-face with the use of emerging technologies. We have synchronous and asynchronous communication, collaborative, comparative, flexing, and open learning, and pedagogical didactic. Let's continue. The third one is cloud learning. If you already know, see it like C-learning. It's learning solutions and services companies which provide schools and colleges with a range of serving solutions to help teachers and students to make the most of technology hosted in the cloud. With an over-wide Charlene Radio range of proprietary service already being used in many schools, So this kind needs improve the communication and collaboration to support teaching and learning. So here I have some characteristics to provide clear and precise instruction and assignments, provide highly visual and interactive pedagogical material, redesign educational material for mobile consumption in large quantities, and take advantage of new mobile technology for activities. It's something easy that the students can take for creativity and personalization. And this is another experience that they have. Let's see number 4. Mobile learning, also known lesson and learning. It's a new way to access learning content uses the mobile devices. It is possible to learn anywhere and at any time. One alone, you have a modern mobile device to connect to the internet. And here I have some characteristics. Creating freedom and flexibility of learning, the use and support, technological independence of content, a lesson is not for a specific devices too. And let's continue. Number 5, personalized learning, or it's P-learning. It's teaching and learning that focuses on the background needs that potential perception of the learner, and the teacher's role is not too much to provide information, but to work closely with the students to make sure that they have understood and are able to move their learning on the next stage. And here I have some characteristics. Personalization in learning, independent and flexible learning, autonomous learning, organization of training processes. Number 6, learning ubiquitous, learning. It's defining an everyday learning environment that is supported by mobile and learning computing in wireless network and everyday life. And here I have some characteristics for you. Accessibility, it's all training content is virtualized and the students are collected and stored for the future. This is a collaborative and the participant or the students can communicate and interact, learn with peers. Number 7, transformative learning, team learning. Transformational learning is the process of deconstructor and meaningful learning that goes beyond simple knowledge acquisition and support critical ways in which learnings consist in the following. And here I have some characteristics for you. Accessibility learning, we have interactivity, anonymous independence learning, and creation of virtual communities. So this is all for this session. Let's keep learning and let's something new. See you!